Hi everyone and welcome to my final morning report charts appraisal on Wednesday 26th of July with me, Shibari market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold. Gold is in this rally over the last sort of 2.5 weeks. It has rolled over a touch in the last day or so. Interestingly enough, that rolling over has come around this pivot again. Pivot at 1260, rolling over 1258.80 was the high on Monday. So the market is sort of taking account of this and started to sort of come back on the stochastics. MACD lines a little bit as well. That's RSI a little bit back from 60, but still above 50. I'm still sort of looking at this being a bull run higher. I mean, with this uptrend intact, you'd still sort of be looking to buy into weakness. I think if that 1240 pivot holds, then I think that will be interesting because you could start to see the buying pressure ramping up again. I think I'm sort of looking at this with a view of it being similar to the March move. Sort of hit 1260, came back 1240, and then eventually broke higher. Similar sort of moves that we saw in May, where you sort of saw that correction back from 1260, hitting sort of lows around 1246. And then breaking out to the upside. I mean, you could take that in the opposite with the move back from 1240 to 1260 and then to the downside. So I'm sort of still looking at these pivots playing a role. 1260 certainly is playing a role, and I think 1240 could well start to become the basis of support again. So we're looking at this little correction, which is just a little correction effectively. It's just unwinding the oversold momentum, really. You've got that uptrend that comes in around 1237, 1238 today. But 1240 is that pivot on the daily chart. 1242 area, 1242, 1243. Sort of breakout levels near term that became supportive. So it's interesting that market's sort of back towards that at the moment and starting to form a little bit of basis of support. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see if this 1240 level of pivot can hold, and then the buyers could come back. But today we're sort of lower again in front of the FOMC, about $3 down on the day, but not too much. Anyway, I wish you good luck in the trading. I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.